Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2016 model Honda HR-V EL variant, top of the line. 1.8-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 60,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, Casa maintained, full Casa Records, daytime running lights, keyless entry, paddle shifters, cruise control, touchscreen head unit, dash camera, proximity sensors, reverse camera, genuine leather seats, spare key fob, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 688,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 160,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2018 model Mazda CX-5, 2.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 45,000 kilometers mileage with Casa Records, all-wheel drive, Casa maintained with records, plate ending 4, panoramic view, sunroof, Bose sound system, leather seats, iStop system, cruise control, power seat and tailgate, push start, keyless entry, all stop, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 978,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 232,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2022 model Nissan Navara VL Calibre, 2.5-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 27,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, premium leather seats, central locking system, touchscreen display, reverse sensor and camera, daytime running light, SRS airbag, steering control, side visor, all-stop, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 1,228,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 222,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2019 model Toyota Wigo G, top of the line, 1.0-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 52,000 kilometers mileage, first own, keyless entry, steering audio controls, touchscreen monitor, reverse camera, leather seat cover, central lock, fog lights, all stock, all power, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 428,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 92,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2019 model Suzuki Swift GL, 1.2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 45,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, fuel-efficient, climate control, plate ending 1, daylight running light, steering wheel control, touchscreen display, Bluetooth ready, fog lamps, original spare key, owner's manual at booklet, all stock, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 508,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 102,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2023 model Nissan Kicks VL e-Power, top of the line, 1.2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 9,000 kilometers plus mileage, first owner, well-maintained, ending plate free, push start, fuel efficient, leather seat, 360 camera view, 8-inch infotainment, reverse camera and sensors, forward collision warning, intelligent emergency braking, hill start assist, driver attention alert, drive mode, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free auto loan assistance, cash price, 1,178,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 213,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. For inquiries, unit viewing, and reservation, please contact JC 096670611170. Viber and WhatsApp ready. Operating hours, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Located at 6th floor Valero Car Park 2 Makati City. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.